Hi guys, hi, I'm Sagrika. Thank you so much for joining my channel. Thank you so much for all the support and love that you've shown me. Thank you so much. I'm truly grateful and blessed. Today's topic is adult friendships, and I so eagerly wanted to talk about friendships in general because this one topic is very close to me, and I feel really lucky to have my set of girls and my girlfriends who have helped me all through my years and in my journey in life so far. And friendships build you, friendships shape you, they make this world bearable. Okay. So I have had a luck, that I get to meet a lot of good friends, lot of women out there, a lot of people, men, women both, a lot of people actually, whom I met in my life, and I have had beautiful memories with them. I love them. Yes, there are friends who I have lost touch with, but I still have those memories very intact, and I remember them. I When I look at the pictures, मुझे सारी चीज़ें exactly वैसी याद आ जाती है. I could relive those memories. This is something I would say that everyone should experience in their life, be it school, college. Those who say that office में friendships नहीं हो सकती, I say it's a lie. It's impossible because you have that one office buddy as well, जिनसे आप gossip कर सकते हो, जिनसे आप share कर सकते हो your hardships or any setbacks in general. So we will talk about friendships, how they are supposed to be. I'm not going to preach anything about friendships. It's just my thoughts, how I have been blessed with good friends, and those qualities that I look for in a friend. And I also try that if like I could inculcate those qualities in me, and I could be a good friend to my friends. So let's just get started. Okay. So first thing is that for friendships you just have to be a, a good friend, as in you have to be there for your friend. Okay. I'm not saying that you have to chit chat and you have to talk every day and you have to take updates from them every now and then, because in my age, when you are in a corporate life, people get busy in life. बहुत सारी चीज़ें होती हैं, नए friendships बनते हैं, नए colleagues होते हैं. A lot of responsibilities come in our way. And जिस तरह से हम कॉलेज में थे, जिस तरह से हम स्कूल में थे, उस तरह से friendships निभानी, it's difficult, right? Plus, जब हम friendship करते हैं तो there is this bond, there is this trust, there is this dependability, and there is this faith that अगर हम बात ना करें तो ऐसा नहीं है कि ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए कि सामने वाला पर्सन बुरा मान जाए, राइट? सो वो फ्रीडम होनी चाहिए. जब आप किसी के साथ फ्रेंडशिप करते हो ना, तो वो ट्रस्ट होना चाहिए, वो फेथ होना चाहिए कि हाँ ठीक है, अगर सामने वाला पर्सन नहीं बात कर पा रहा है या सामने वाला पर्सन नहीं कांटेक्ट में है या काफ़ी टाइम हो चुका है, मे बी दे आर busy with their jobs, busy with their life. Maybe some of them are married, some of them are traveling, some of them are pursuing something, or a lot of things could happen, right? So I think as a friend, one should understand that that not everybody is like, friends are not distancing themselves. Okay, friends will always be there for you, and you should have that trust that okay, अभी हमारी बात नहीं हो रही है, लेकिन जब भी बात होगी हम वैसे ही मिलेंगे, जिस तरह से लास्ट हम मिले थे, जिस तरह से हमने लास्ट बात करी थी. एंड वो ट्रस्ट होना चाहिए, वो बॉन्ड होना चाहिए कि एज सुन एज जब भी आप मिलो वो क्लिक हो जाए. सो आई थिंक अडल्ट फ्रेंडशिप्स का ये बहुत ज़्यादा एक इम्पॉर्टेंट फैक्टर है, जहाँ पर यू नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड द अदर पर्सनस circumstances. Everyone is busy. तो रादर देन उसको पर्सनली लेना है या बुरा मान जाना है या उसके बारे में कुछ गलत बात कहनी है, आई डोंट थिंक सो दैट्स फेयर. बिकॉज जैसे आप बिजी हो जाते हो वैसे ही दूसरा कोई भी बिजी हो सकता है, राइट? सो दिस इज़ वन थिंग विच आई कीप इन माइंड, एंड आई ऑल्सो वुड वॉन्ट माई फ्रेंड्स टू कीप इन माइंड कि it's okay to be busy, it's okay to have those distance, moments of distance, जहाँ पर हो सकता है कि हम 1-2 महीने के लिए नहीं बात करें. It could be a year also. Trust me, it could be a year. People are very, very busy in this very busy world, and I don't blame any of my friend. And everybody is trying to do something or the other to make their lives thing that I look for in a friendship is let's suppose मेरी कोई success story है या if I have to share something really sad and some major setback in my life, how my friends show up and how they react to it. Because this will give you a very clear picture how they are there for you, if they are genuinely there for you or not, or if it's just pretend basis. Because खुशी के टाइम पे बहुत लोग होते हैं आपके लिए, लेकिन जब आपके लाइफ में कुछ मेजर सेटबैक है, सम रियली बैड फेजेस आर गोइंग इन योर लाइफ, राइट, उस टाइम पे आपके लिए कौन है, कौन खड़ा है, जेन्युइनली कौन खड़ा है, किसको फ़र्क पड़ रहा है, किसको नहीं फ़र्क पड़ रहा. आई एम नॉट सेइंग दैट उनके लाइफ में वो अपनी सारी प्रॉब्लम्स छोड़ के मेरे लिए आ जाए, आई एम नॉट सेइंग दैट, बट एक जेन्युइन केयर होती है, एक जेन्युइन एक सपोर्ट होता है. And I look for those patterns and things. There are people who are just for seasons and कुछ टाइम के लिए होते हैं. I'm not sure कुछ टाइम के लिए क्यों होते हैं. It's just God's way of working. लेकिन कुछ लोग होते हैं जो कुछ टाइम के लिए होते हैं हमारे लाइफ में. They show us a good time. Sometimes they show a good time and sometimes they are for lessons. And I would say that do not hold strongly to them. If they are there for a particular time, for a very short period of time, then जब हो जाता है उनका पर्पस है, I just believe in it, कि जब उनका पर्पस हो जाता है, when their purpose is fulfilled, तो in a way God removes them, and it could be for a lesson, it could be for a good memory, and you just let them go. You don't have to hate on them. You don't have to have bad feelings or hard feelings. You don't go around spreading gossips or rumors about them. You just simply let them go. Because I think जो friendship की जो life होती है, I think with some people it's very small, and when it comes to an end, I think you should let it go. Take lessons, hold on to good memories, and move on. Okay, and then there are some people who are there for like forever. They are your people. They always stand by you. They will always understand you. They will always genuinely care about you. And हो सकता है कि उनको कोई चीज़ आपके लाइफ के बारे में नहीं पता हो. They could be very unaware, right? As I said, people are busy in this busy world. So हो सकता है कि they are not aware what is going in your life. But if they get to know, their support is very genuine and they are there for you. So this is one another thing that I always look for a friend, that how genuine they are, and you could easily figure it out by just looking at their reactions to certain things and their patterns. Another very very important thing that you could look for, and I look for it, is how happy you are with them, right? आप जब भी फ्रेंडशिप्स चूज करते हो, आप इसी के बेसिस पे फ्रेंडशिप चूज करते हो, राइट, दैट यू डोंट फील जज्ड, यू डोंट फील द सेंस ऑफ there is no burden. You could just live freely, you could just love your life, you could just do whatever makes you feel happy, and they are happy with you, and they're not going around judging you, and they are fully in that moment loving you, loving every aspect with you, and you are very very happy with them. This is a very important thing, and you could figure it out by just looking at yourself, how you feel around them. If if you spend 1 hour of your time with them, how do you feel? How do they make you feel? Is it draining, is it exhausting, or is it just makes your day and you just look forward to meeting them, right? So this is one another parameter. You can just go for it and see how you are with them. Do you have to pretend around them? Do you have to be do you have to hide certain things? Do you have to be a certain way? These are some things that you can just look for yourself. You can self introspect, and then things just life just makes it clear for you. Slowly and gradually. जब हम यंग होते हैं तो हमें कुछ चीज़ों का पता नहीं होता है, लेकिन with adult friendships it's not that case. You are easily able to understand how the other person is, and how they are making how they are making you feel. Are you feeling good about yourself? Are you feeling proud about yourself? Are you feeling carefree, right? That's a very important thing, because there are so many things to, there are so many things that can give you stress in your life, and I think friendships do not have to give stress. I think that's one thing, you have to choose very wisely, that फ्रेंडशिप्स ऐसी ना हो कि भाई वो बहुत स्ट्रेस दे लाइफ में. ऑलरेडी बहुत स्ट्रेस है जॉब का, लाइफ का, सो मेनी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज, राइट. लेकिन फ्रेंडशिप्स ऐसी होनी चाहिए कि अगर आप उन कुछ दोस्तों से मिल रहे हो तो जो भी स्ट्रेस है वो ख़त्म हो जाए, एटलीस्ट फॉर सम टाइम, एटलीस्ट वो ख़त्म हो जाए, एंड यू कुड जस्ट एंजॉय योर लाइफ बीइंग विद देम. एंड सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग, सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग जो बहुत ग्रेजुअली पता चलती है आपको ओवर द टाइम, ओवर द ईयर्स, कि जैसे आपके जो भी फ्रेंड्स हैं वो सामने तो चलो आपसे बहुत अच्छे हैं, आपके सामने अच्छी अच्छी बातें करते हैं, अच्छे हैं, इन जनरल दे आर गुड पीपल, राइट. लेकिन आपके पीछे वो कैसे हैं, बिहाइंड योर बैक व्हाट टॉपिक्स दे चूज टू टॉक अबाउट. अगर आपके बारे में कोई बात हो रही है, डू दे डिफेंड यू, do they protect your name, or do they gossip about you, and सामने कुछ और, पीछे कुछ और, बातें कुछ और हो रही है, and they just want to be in your life to have those topics of gossips, या उस चीज़ को जज करने के लिए, या उस चीज़ को एक इंसान से दूसरे इंसान को बताने के लिए. सो दिस इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. बाकी सारी जितनी भी चीज़ें मैंने अभी डिस्कस करी, दोज ऑल आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, बट दिस इज़ ऑल्सो वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. एंड आई हैव एक्सपीरियंस दिस, जहाँ पर पीपल आर वेरी वेरी स्वीट टू योर फेस. You would never understand, you would never realize, you would never notice that those people could be so bad, and they could gossip so much about you, and उनके पास और कोई टॉपिक ही नहीं होता है. उनके पास अपने बारे में कोई बात करने के लिए कुछ होता नहीं है, तो वो आपके बारे में बात करते हैं. एंड वही सेम लोग आपके सामने, आपके फैमिली मेम्बर्स के साथ, दे विल बी द स्वीटेस्ट, मोस्ट काइंडेस्ट पर्सन, एंड समटाइम्स आपको पता है क्या, आपके पेरेंट्स को ना पता चल जाता है कि हाउ दैट वन फ्रेंड इज फॉर यू, and how that one friend, if they are genuinely there for you or not. And shuru mein kya hota hai, you always go against your parents, and you always defend your friends. No, you think differently, aapka zamana alag tha, hamara zamana alag tha. I have had this friend for let's say 2-3 years now, and I know them inside and out. आपको नहीं पता, all of that, right? हम टीन्स में होते हैं, हम ये सारी चीज़ें करते हैं, but sooner or later we get to know कि oh, हमारे पेरेंट्स ही सही बोल रहे थे, एंड आई शुड हैव हैड लिसन टू देम, बिकॉज इट ब्रेक्स आवर हार्ट, राइट. एंड फ्रेंडशिप ब्रेकअप्स हर्ट मोर देन रोमांटिक ब्रेकअप्स. दिस इज जस्ट वन फैक्ट, आई वुड जस्ट थ्रो इट आउट. Okay, so this was my last point, and this was actually the most important, that how they keep your name behind your back, how protective they are, how they shield your name, how they defend you, and how they are genuinely there for you behind your back also. It's not pretend, it's just genuine care and trust. So this was all about friendships, my thoughts on friendships, and how I have been blessed with good friends over the years, and they have kind of built me, they have helped me in my life throwbacks, major throwbacks or setbacks, and they have helped me keep my sanity in this busy world. Although I'm a very shy person, I'm very introvert, and I am very bad at keeping contacts. This is a very, very, it's a very toxic trait. I would like to change this in myself. I want to be in contact with my friends every now and then, and I don't want to wait for 2 or 3 months or a year maybe to meet them. So this is one thing I'm trying to change in myself, and I hope really that I'm able to do it. So this was my experiences and my thoughts on adult friendships specifically. Please let me know what are your thoughts on the same. Would love to read if you have similar stories or similar experiences, and what other things that you look for in adult friendship or friendships in general, and what are the toxic traits that you look for and you would want people to know and stay away from. So feel free to write in the comments box. I would love to read. And thank you so much for being so patient and listening to me. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.